How to fix Roblox unable to contact server. Please check your internet connection error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox unable to contact server error. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your settings. And after you're on your settings, make sure that you are connected to a really strong Wi-Fi. Sometimes it can just be your Wi-Fi's problem too. If you're not using your Wi-Fi, make sure that your cellular data, inside your cellular data, make sure that low data mode is not turned on. If it's turned on, simply turn it off. After you've done both of this and checked your internet connection, and if internet connection is not your problem, what you'll then need to do is head over to General. Inside General, head over to iPhone Storage. And in iPhone Storage, you will need to search for Roblox. After you find Roblox, simply offload the app. After you tap on offload app, you'll have to reinstall the app. And what this will do is this will simply clear your cache. After it's done that, reinstall the app and then you can, place back your data. That is, you can log back into your account and then use your Roblox as normal. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.